Okay, now sit down and with your back straight and your shoulders back, just become mindful of breathing naturally. That's right. This will enable you to feel more centered and more grounded in your breathing. Put one hand on the place where you feel your breathing emanates the most from. This will increase your feeling of centeredness and inner balance. Now let your mind drop down, so to speak, into an awareness of your breathing and becoming more calm and relaxed with each breath. Breathe calmly like this a few more times. When you breathe out, you'll notice a slight pause before you begin to breathe in again. It is a moment when you are not breathing in or out. This pause is very important. It is a powerful moment of faith and trust in the Creator that He will send you your next breath. Each time that your breathing pauses for that moment, you're living your emunah. You're living your faith. Now, picture your heart. Picture your heart in any way you do as big and wide and empty. Your heart is warm and glowing and alive. And your heart is full of love for the one who created you. As you let go of your societal self, you let go of your own thoughts. You try to empty your heart so that He can dwell in your midst. Imagine your heart softening even further and widening and inviting the divine presence to come in. Say, Hashem, I hereby declare my heart to be ownerless. Say, I'm relinquishing the ownership of my heart to you. Say, please, Hashem, come and dwell in my heart. Say, I cannot live without you for another second. I'm begging you, Hashem. Say, Hashem, please take residence in my heart, always, forever. Now say with enthusiasm, Hashem, my heart is yours. It belongs to you. And repeat this 3 times. Hashem, my heart is yours. It belongs to you. Hashem, my heart is yours. It belongs to you. Now picture the mighty hand of Hashem, so to speak, your loving Father, gently placing the most beautiful, pure, glowing spark, a magnificent holy ember of light into your heart. Breathe and feel the warmth and love of Hashem coming into your heart. And now, with each mindful breath, you feel the cool air coming into your lungs and going down, fanning that tiny ember, that soft, loving gift of God's essence that He placed into your heart. Picture your lungs like the graceful wings of a bird, gently fanning and fueling your holy ember as it grows stronger and brighter, bigger and more ablaze Your emunah is illuminating your heart.